All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shape, change the fill color, a few things. So if this is the shape, this is a sculpture I wanted to use for my project, and I wanted to add a border around it, okay, just because I thought it would look nice. So I want to essentially add a frame around it. So I'm going to choose, again, in shapes, I'm going to choose the rectangle, and when I choose the rectangle, I'm going to get this box. I'm going to start around here. You can see roughly I'm going to choose the same distance around and I'm going to let go. Okay, first problem, it just covered my picture. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go order, and what I want to do is send this rectangle behind the picture. So I want to send, go to order and send backward. Okay, it actually send it behind, so now the picture is in front. Actually, that doesn't look too bad, but I still want to show you about changing the border color first. So I think I want to have a dark border color. But again, remember the default border weight is just 1. Moving it to something like 4 or 8 in this case might be better. Although maybe not black. Let's go with a dark blue. Okay. Now let's see about changing the fill color. Okay, so I could go bright pink. I kind of don't like that. I could go white, which that looks nice. Again, I can look again in fill color. I can look at the suggested, this light blue maybe. That doesn't look too bad. But actually, let's see the not as bright pink. Not too bad. So let's stay with that. So we got fill color. Line color changes the outside. So that's the black. There's the dark blue. This changes the weight. So see how much thicker the line gets. 12 looked good here. So that's how you add a shape, change the fill color, change the border, and the line weight.